Thank you, Sabha. I have a short film to begin with. So, can I request the film to come on first and then I'll say a few words?
By the people,
Yes,
for the people,
agreed.
with the people.
Really? Who? Me? I don't do politics.
My role in democracy is casting my vote.
ये देखो मेरी उंगली.
What's wrong with you people? Don't you realize democracy is meaningless without the active participation of the citizens?
It's our nation.
It's our government. Our opinions matter.
मेरी एक वेबसाइट है mygov.in. उसमें मैंने आपके सुझावों के लिए, आप कुछ जुड़ना चाहते तो उसके लिए बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था रखी है.
In a nation where the people are brimming with ideas, where people want to do something for the country and contribute to nation building, MyGov is a medium which enables you to actually do so.
मुझे खुशी है कि MyGov के जरिए मैं सरकार से सीधे जुड़ पा रहा हूँ. ड्राइंग रूम या चौपाल पर राजनीति डिस्कस करने से बेहतर है कि सरकार से मैं सीधी बात कह पाता हूँ.
Whatever your skill set is, your nation wants your opinion.
You can contribute to the building of your own nation.
You can discuss. You can act. You can collaborate.
You can be the change.
It's been one remarkable year. The journey that began with a path-breaking idea and loads of conviction has now become a rising tide of the citizen-led actions.
Futuristic strength of India lies in its 60% youth population. The youth needs to identify its caliber, structure it well, and use the platform of MyGov. It encourages citizen participation in matters of governance.
मुझे लगता है एक अच्छी शुरुआत है.
People from all walks of life contributing towards a common goal.
मैंने गंगा की अविरलता निर्मलता के लिए कुछ सुझाव प्रस्तुत किए.
I strongly believe is by sharing my views in MyGov portal, I will see a better future of my village.
You are the talent that will build the India of tomorrow. MyGov invites you to express and engage. So now you can access MyGov to contribute an idea from your home or office and also when you're traveling by using the mobile app.
My idea over here is to develop a website that would highlight things like classification of destinations, your seasons, your festivals, your arts and crafts, and stay that would make every traveler's dream incredible.
Apno Rajasthan could be enhanced by rural tourism, which would help in the development of villages as well as villagers.
In the age of technology, there are still people who are working as manual scavengers. Manual scavengers people, they have to carry human waste on their heads and dispose it off outside village. With the help of MyGov portal, we all can unite and come together to effectively rehabilitate these people. Let's make India manual scavenging free.
I have participated by giving ideas of alternative measures of fuel, methods for reducing pollution on the portal MyGov.
MyGov is not limited to the virtual world, but is firmly grounded in the real. MyGov Samvad, a first-of-its-kind event, was organized on 29th November 2014. 20 participants directly interacted with the Honorable Minister of Communications and IT and shared their thoughts and ideas about a digitally empowered India.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का लोगो जब हमारा चुन गया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और बाद में जब नेशनल डिजिटल मिशन का भी लोगो आ गया तो चार चांद लग गए.
With the underlying principle of taking ideas from mind to the market, the Innovate for Digital India Challenge was initiated. New Education Policy Group was formed with an inclusive, participatory and holistic approach which aims to make India a knowledge superpower. MyGov also launched the much-awaited and exciting contest for the Prime Minister's mobile app on 4th March 2015 in collaboration with Google. In the first phase of the contest, the ideas were crowdsourced on mygov.in. More people, more ideas, more action. MyGov has rapidly evolved into a medium of large-scale participation and activity. A connect further taken to new heights with the launch of Prime Minister's radio program Mann Ki Baat, which takes ideas and suggestions from MyGov.
The Prime Minister said, there will be a Mann Ki Baat program, and I request everybody to write to me on mygov.in. And surprise, on 3rd October 2014, the first Mann Ki Baat program on the radio, Prime Minister told my name and he also read out my message. That was one of the most happiest moments of my life.
टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से तैयार किया गया प्लेटफॉर्म हिंदुस्तान के या हिंदुस्तान के बाहर रहने वाले, भारत का कल्याण चाहने वाले हर व्यक्ति के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अच्छा अवसर है, एक माध्यम है, ये एक शुरुआत है। और मुझे विश्वास है कि सभी देशवासी इस पहल का स्वागत करेंगे और जुड़ेंगे।
What are you waiting for? It's your government. Be a part of it. Your opinions matter. Become a part of this mass movement towards achieving Suraj.
If a picture is worth a thousand words, I think I've already said about 1 million or so. But I'll still take a couple of minutes to share a few thoughts. As many of you may be aware, and of course all of you have seen this small video, in the last 1 year, MyGov has been attempting to tap into this vast reservoir of ideas, talent and creativity which is available across the country. With over 1 million users who've now registered onto the site, with about 4 million plus people, unique visitors who have come and seen the site, we've managed to probably reach out to a very small portion of this talent pool that is India. Every one of us always has ideas and thoughts about things, and more often than not, whenever those ideas pertain to some problem that you're facing, then one of the thoughts that comes to your mind too, is why doesn't the government do something about it? What is the government? If you start peeling out the layers, then there is no such thing as the government. And yet, if you bring it all together, then each one of us is the government. When I was listening to the previous speakers, the esteemed panelists, talk about different things, each of them is mentioning some issues, some problems, some area where there is a scope for improvement. What we believe at MyGov is that this improvement, this betterment is not going to come by if the government tries to keep beating a solitary path. So each one of us, having participated in that massive festival of democracy called the elections, also now needs to keep thinking about the various things that we need, the various things that we want, and then come on to MyGov as a platform to carry your voice through to the government. You would have seen in the last maybe 3 to 4 years that many ministries, many government organizations have started coming onto the social media. They've been present on Facebook, their own websites, sharing information proactively, Twitter accounts, handles for various ministries and organizations. But at the same time, there wasn't really any concerted effort to try and respond to what the people were saying on these sites. So you have a contact us link on your website, you have a Facebook page, you have a Twitter handle, but do you really get responses? Do you really even get the assurance that some action is being taken on what you are sharing there? This is the gap that we are trying to fill. What we are attempting here is that for any of the different topics that exercise the minds and hearts of the people of India, we should provide them an opportunity to share their ideas, pass those ideas in a structured manner to the concerned ministries or to the government organizations. We have now more than 36 ministries and departments of the central government and a couple of states also who have conducted more than 200 discussions, 215 if I remember correctly at last count, about 180 different creative tasks in which ideas and thoughts and the creative talent of people have been leveraged. We were talking about rural India and the connectivity and the problems associated with provision of connectivity there. we realize, we understand and appreciate that connectivity is a problem. But does that mean that rural India should be denied a voice at MyGov? I don't believe so. Which is why you would have read recently that the Ministry of HRD, for instance, is creating the new National Education Policy. The new education policy is under development. The ministry decided to go ahead and consult with every single one of the local bodies all over the country. 2.5 lakh panchayats, about 7,000 local bodies, gram panchayats, block panchayats, zilla panchayats, nagar palikas, large municipal corporations. And we've just initiated this activity on MyGov, where each of these local bodies, all totaling close to about 2.6 lakh, over 250,000, who will be able to submit their views on what should go into the new education policy in a structured manner on MyGov. So today, when a couple of days back I was speaking to Osama and he was gracious enough to call me here to share some thoughts with you, I immediately seized the opportunity, because this group here is full of ideas. I don't know how many of you are now on MyGov, but at least I would try to get my message through to all of you and request you all to go back, and if you haven't already taken a look at MyGov, go back and take a look at it. If you have an Android device, download the app and start submitting your ideas, sharing your thoughts, sharing your creativity, and talk about it to everybody. Because MyGov, like the government, will not work if each one of us is not a part of it. Thank you very much.